I'm bored. Why did you do that?
Hey, you're gonna break it. Emily.
Hi, my Donnie. Okay, I need help. I need help!
Well, that was gone.
I'm trying to get up.
You were.
This is not working. Jesus. You know what? Do you like it rough, Everton?
That's disgusting.
Do you like it rough?
From Nicholas Jerry Jonas. That's not only that, but you're a girl, and that's kind of gross.
So
Number 2, you're my cousin. That's even what. Ah! Get off of me! Get off, Emily! I'm gonna kick you in the vagina. Your vagina is gonna be kicked.
If I fall off the
Rock the boat, rock the boat. Oh no, that's disgusting. Emily, get off.
Daddy.
No, that's disgusting. I will call you cousin. How you felt?
Daddy.
Emily.
Listen. I'm not gonna stop.
Oh wait, my leg.
Stop it. Hello, what are you? Stop. No. Stop.
Say bye.
My ass.
Say bye.
No.
Say goodbye.
Oh,
Say bye.
You're giving it to me to the butt, don't
That's
you?
disgusting. I don't have anything to give you in the butt.
Get off. Get off. Ah.